Got an amazing app idea, but not sure how to bring it to life across both Android and iOS without blowing your budget or timeline? At Innoventix Solutions, we use Flutter, Google's powerful cross-platform framework, to build beautiful, scalable mobile app fast and on time. With Flutter, we write your app once and launch it on both platforms. That means faster delivery, lower costs, and pixel-perfect design. Our team has delivered apps across industries, from healthcare to fintech to social platforms, all with high performance and seamless UI. Here's how we turn your idea into a live app. We start with fully navigatable UI prototype in Figma, so you can see exactly how the app will feel before we write a single line of code. Next, we build the core features, lean, functional, and ready for early users. Then we add secondary features and polish the flow based on real feedback. Our Q&A team tests across devices to ensure a smooth, crash-free experience. We handle App Store submissions for both Android and iOS and celebrate your launch with you. But we don't stop at launch. We help you scale, whether that means adding new features, optimizing performance, or securing uncloud credits from AWS, Google, or Microsoft to save costs. We love working with teams who think long-term. Our best partnerships are with businesses that grow with us. Build your app with a team that treats your vision like their own? Let's build it. Better, faster, together. What are you waiting for? Book a free consultation with our team and let's get your app launched fast and on time with Innoventix Solutions.